Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got a 9-drawer dresser that we're going to redo. So follow along. Alright, as you can see, I had to put some wood putty in to fill these holes where the handles used to be. They are 6-inch handles, and well, most of them were missing. So to keep the project costs down, since hardware is super expensive, handles they can really add a lot of money to your budget and cost here. So what we're going to do, fill them in, we're going to sand them out just like when we sand the whole entire piece down, and then we're going to put new handles in that have a less of 6 inches. I think they're 4 inches. So we'll switch those out. You won't even know the holes are there. Wood putty. We're gonna pull the drawers. We're gonna check the subframe. We're gonna pull the doors here so we can paint those. And then, well, we'll have about an hour of sanding ahead of us. So let's get started. Alright, so our next step is to sand. I got my DeWalt sander, hand sander there. I'm going to use 80 grit. I'm going to go over the piece, get rid of the shine and any imperfections, sand them out. We'll do the doors and the drawers, and then we can start cleaning this piece up, getting it ready for paint. So, let's spend an hour of fun sanding. Alright, sanding's done, wiped down, and now we're ready to paint. What we're going to use is like a mid-level gray, Behr prime and paint. It's going to be an eggshell. So, 2 brushes, 2-inch angled wedge brush. Get them at Home Depot, love them. You ready?
Ready.
Alright, we're going to do the drawers, doors, and then we'll head on onto this frame. Now remember, the doors have both sides you got to do, so take that into account. Do the backs, let them dry while you paint all these, and then we'll come back, do a second coat, and then while we're doing the frame, we can do the front. Looks like she's already got a head start. Better catch up. Alright, here it is completed. We sanded it down, we filled in the holes for the old drawers, and we added our own here. Kind of like this style. It's an extra step, does take some measurements and planning out to make sure you get the line up real nice here, but overall came out really nice. It's a mid-gray. We use Behr Prime and Paint. 2 coats. We didn't scuff this piece up. And well, we even did the inside here. Hopefully the new owners of this will love it and use it for years and years and years, just like all our other products. So follow us on Instagram, like us on Instagram, Facebook, and well, leave us a comment or two on what you think about this color and this piece.